Okay. So we go then into practical applications. Watches. Oh, it is permitted to wear or carry any type of watch on Yom Tov because knowing time is considered a Yom Tov need. Very straightforward, right? So you can carry in your pocket this pocket watch or something. I don't know. So continue. B. Mitzvah-related items. It is permitted on Yom Tov to carry any item that is needed in order to fulfill a mitzvah, such as shofar, lulav, or sefer. Okay. However, after the mitzvah has been done, one may not carry the item home unless it is in unsecure location. So let's go back. So we said shofar. So shofar, for example, the guy was blowing in a shul shofar, but if he's going to blow in his house, of course he's allowed to take. For example, some family members could not go to shul or were sick or for he wants to blow for his neighbor. There is no problem, right? So he can bring shofar back. Lulav, of course, as we said, if it's for mitzvah, right? And sefer. So sefer, I guess, if he's going to read the sefer at home, there is no problem, right? But if he's not, there is no intention to read from this book again or blow shofar, it would be unless it can get stolen or ruined, so it's not going to be allowed. Okay. When it is in a secure location, it may not be carried home, even if it is needed for the use on next day of Yom Tov. So next day is Yom Tov, nobody's arguing, but it is the next day, is a separate day. Because the performed melacha for the next day use is prohibited. So as we said, the general prohibition is you're not allowed to prepare for the next day. That's general prohibition. We'll now elaborate on specific example of this category. Number one is talis. Although it is permitted to carry talis to shul, right, because you need it to perform it, so that's clear. It is forbidden to carry talis home, since there is no longer a need to wear on it that day. So that's, I would say that's the biggest one. In the event that there is no secure location for in a shul, right, for it in a shul, that might be lost if left there. Lost meaning somebody will take it. One may carry it home. Based on the principle, they permitted the end. There is carrying the object home on account of the beginning to perform of the mitzvah. So meaning same as lulav, right? For example, some people they buy the talis. It's called atara. This thing on the neck, right? So I mean, if you put it on over the head, so it would be there. And sometimes it's they put these pieces of silver, like plates. And these atarakos can cost a lot of money. So it's sometimes they're like silver plated, but I think many times it's pure silver. I mean, it's not pure because I never seen. Have I ever seen? I don't know. I saw like when it go like tarnish a little, right? But so I guess they add something to the silver, but they like many times it's sparkling, right? So of course this atarak costs, I don't know, $300, $400, like much 3 times more than talis itself. You understand? So if a person is concerned that somebody is going to take it, so let him take home. Of course, I would say just wear it. Don't wear like a carry like this. Much better than much better than just carry in your hands. But they say since like if they would not allow him to carry there, he would not take it with him. And I mean, technically you can pray without talis. There is no such requirement exactly, right? So we're allowed to take him back if there is no safe location. But in my shul, like everybody lives there. And plus that they bought so many talisim of good quality, like a lot. So some people never carry their own talis on Shabbos. specifically, and on the weekdays they own, on Shabbos they use shul once. Or just leave their own in the shul. I leave my own in the shul. Nobody ever even touched Jews. You usually don't see. I mean, there is, of course, there is crazy people, but not in the place where I go. All of the good people, Baruch HaShem. Okay. Not in any shul. I never heard that somebody stole somebody's tallis. Even it costs a lot of money. Some people even lift tefillin. I would not leave my tefillin ever, because but for a different reason. I would leave the tallis there, so it's something that God forbid happens. So I have another one, like my weekday. So there is no problem. But tefillin, it's a different story. But who knows that you would be able to come to shul, chas v'shul, tomorrow? Maybe maybe they are going to shut down. Maybe it's going to be flood. Maybe I don't know. Whatever happened, right? So you have your tefillin always with you. And continue. It is common for people to attend different shul on the second day of Yom Tov than the first day. Okay. This does not permit one to carry his tallis home in the first day. Very interesting, since it would be performing the melacha for the next day. So he's not, it's amazing example. So he's not taking it home because of the concern maybe somebody is going to steal it, or it's get ruined. No, he's planning to go to the different shul the next day. So of course we're not allowed this case. This classic case, absolutely not. So in such a situation, he should wear the tallis home. Okay, so just put it all like normally, and that's it. Not. I saw one guy was walking and he would like fold the tallis on his shoulders. That's not allowed. So I told him you have to wear it like you wear during the prayers. You cannot just that's for sure. It's carrying just because you don't touch, but that's now how you wear the item, right? Okay. Next one is a marker. So it says it is permitted to carry mazor to shul. So mazor is a book for prayer book for Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. Also, like they have mazor for holidays in general. But usually that's what we mean, like a thick book, only prayers for Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. It is permitted to carry mazor to shul. As for the carrying it home, the halacha varies dependent upon specific circumstances. So to shul for sure, because you need it in the shul. But back, as I said, if you're going to use it at home, to recite the kiddush, to do birchas hamazon, Rosh Hashanah, of course, there are other laws, and even on Yom Kippur, right? There is in the back section, back of the mazor. I think in all of them. I did not see many, but in all of that I saw, there's a big section actually of Tehillim that we say on Yom Kippur. There is like halachos. There is special section for sacrifices. So if you have extra time, and so you can use it for various reasons, even though not during the prayer. So let's see. The halacha varies depending upon the specific circumstances. A. The mazor is needed for that day used home, for example, to recite kiddush, right, or for family members to daven from. It may be carried home, right? So that's another wonderful example. Somebody could not attend the synagogue, and you have only one mazor. Okay, that's possible, right? So one person asked me what siddur to buy, and I told him what siddur to buy. So I said buy Torah 3. And the guy said he's a single guy. So he asked me, why do I need Torah 3? I need only one. I said, no, you need 2 or 3. So if you different locations, so you need several siddurim, right? So you for example, you pray in the shul, and you want to use your siddur. You bring your siddur there. You at home. You have another siddur. You have another siddur for Pesach, right, or something like that. That's normal to have 2 or 3, or you at work, for example, you brought one there. So it's normal for one person to have several Sidurim. There is nothing, I don't know why he was surprised, but he was not the first person who was surprised. I mean, if a person cannot afford it, it's one thing. But this person can afford. So I told him buy multiple. Okay. So this is Machzor. So, but they did not have. So second example, why did it came up? Because of the second example. So he need to bring Machzor for somebody else in his house to pray. No problem. Meaning his wife, right? So she was busy with the kids. She had no time to pray, right? So he comes home. He take care of the kids, and she can pray. So I mean, they can use one Machzor, no problem. B. However, if there is another Machzor at home, the first Machzor must be left in the shul because there is no justifiable need to bring it home. Very interesting. If one is a specific Machzor at home, for example, it is only the one with English translation. Very interesting. He is permitted to carry it home. Or I would say I'm going to add if they're going to use to Machzorim, for example, for benching, right? In this for saying Birchas Hamazon. So in the Machzor is a version of Birchas Hamazon with all of the additions. So I mean, if you read from there, you cannot miss. In the regular one, in the Siddur, you have to see what additions we have to add. It's a Shabbos and Yom Tov, or only Yom Tov, like all of these things. But this would also be a justifiable reason, right? And C. If one worries about leaving the Machzor in a shul because it might be misplaced, he can carry it home. Especially especially on this Yom Tov, there are many people coming, and some people you will never see in your life, or you see every year. So they come from I don't know, from different planets. But in the shul that they go, there is it's a very old shul. Not very old, but the shul is 70 years plus. No, 80 years. 80 years shul, right? More than 80 years. So, and some people have this custom. Maybe they live in the neighborhood. They come to specific holidays. Maybe they visit their parents only on specific holidays. So even I don't know their parents, they come without parents, but or they visit somebody, maybe lost. I don't know. I see the same people. They come and everybody's they pray specific prayers, lead the congregation. It's very interesting. So I know the people I see only once a year, and I know this guy is going to lead such and such prayer. It's very interesting. Right, so they have these traditions. Okay.